Every powerful tool starts with something simple, a keyboard, a curious mind, and a few lines of Python code. But those lines can build machines that think, predicts markets in real time, and power the app we use every day. This is Python, simple to learn, powerful for life. Welcome to DataSurface, a channel dedicated to breaking down complex data and tech topics into clear, beginner-friendly lessons. Whether you are starting your journey in tech or just brushing up your skills, you are in the right place. In today's video, we are diving into the world of Python, the most beginner-friendly programming language that's quietly powering AI, apps, data science, and more. In the next few minutes, we are going to unlock its fundamentals and show you why it has become the secret language of modern software. Let's quickly see what we will cover as part of today's session. We'll start with the basics, what Python is and its brief history and the top features that make it a developer favorite. Then we will look at the data, why you should learn it, its dominance in the job market, and its revolutionary impact on the world of AI. Finally, we will see Python in action with the real world examples, look towards the future, and finish with the one line of code that started it all for millions of developers. So what exactly is Python? Python is high level general purpose programming language known for its simple readable syntax and wide ranging adaptability. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of programming, simple to use yet powerful enough to build anything from a small script to an AI system. It's famous for one thing above all else, which is readability. So this built on three core pillars. First, it's a simple syntax which reads almost like plain English. This makes it incredibly easy for beginners to learn and for professionals to build and maintain complex applications. Second, it's a vast ecosystem. Python comes with a massive collection of pre-built libraries and frameworks like NumPy for data and Django for web development, letting you build powerful applications faster. And third, it's a huge community. Millions of developers around the world use Python, meaning you will never be short on support, resources, or shared knowledge. Let's quickly see brief history about the Python. Python's journey is fascinating one. It begins back in 1991 when Vedwan Rossum released it as a personal hobby project, naming it after Monty Python's Flying Circus. By 2000, Python 2 was released, introducing powerful features that accelerated its adoption. In 2008, Python 3 arrived, a major update designed to clean up the language and make it future proof. And by 2015, as the world entered the age of big data, Python, with its powerful data libraries, had firmly established itself as the undisputed king of data science. The latest stable release of Python version is 3.13.5, which was officially released on June 2025. Now let's quickly see why is the Python so loved by developers around the world. Simple to read and write, Python's syntax feels like natural English, making it easy for anyone to understand and learn. Dominance AI data science, Python is the go-to language for machine learning, data analytics, and AI research. Great for building websites with frameworks like Django and Plus. Web development is quick and scalable, offers libraries for everything. Whether you are working with the image, data, or networks, there is a Python library for it. Works on any operating system. Python runs on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and even cloud-based systems with no extra work. Perfect for automation tasks. From sending emails to scrapping websites, Python automates repetitive tasks effortlessly. Open source and completely free. Anyone can use it, build with it, and contribute to it. No license or fees needed. Easily integrate with the other tools. Python acts like digital glue, connecting systems, databases, and even other languages. In short, it's a flexible, fast, and future-proof. And you don't have to take our word for it. The data speaks for itself. According to the latest Stack Overflow survey 2024, one of the largest developer surveys in the world, Python is the most loved and widely used programming languages across developers of all levels. It has a clear and significant leap over other major languages like JavaScript, Java, and C#. This is not a just trend, it's a testament of Python's central role in modern software development. Nowhere is Python's dominance more clear than in the field of artificial intelligence. It is without a doubt the engine powering the AI revolution. In data science, its libraries are the industry standard for analyzing and visualizing data. In machine learning, its frameworks like TensorFlow and scikit-learn have made it the leader for building predictive models. And in the new frontier of generative AI, the world's most advanced models, like the ones the powers ChatGPT, are built and trained using a Python. So where do you see Python in your daily life? You see it when Netflix recommends a new show that's Python's data algorithms at work. You see it when you scroll through Instagram or listen to Spotify. Their entire backends are built on Python's web frameworks. And you even see it in space exploration where NASA uses Python to process satellite imagery and automate complex calculations. From your phone to outer space, Python is running the show. Looking ahead, Python's future is brighter than ever. Its adaptability has made it the leader in today's most important fields like AI and large language models. But it's also foundational for the technologies of tomorrow, from quantum computing to bioinformatics. Learning Python isn't just learning a programming language, it's investing in a skill that will remain valuable for decades to come. After all that, you might think getting started is complicated. But this is where Python's beauty truly shines. The single line of code is all it takes to print a message to the screen. His favorite program in Python, print hello world. This simplicity is what it's all about. Achieving powerful results with a clear minimal code is the first step every Python developer takes on their journey. And now your journey is ready to begin. You have just unlocked the first milestone. Your journey continues with our next video, setting up Python installation and your first script. So this is DataSurface, your launchpad for mastering data and AI. Hit subscribe for weekly insights and thank you for being part of the journey.